Welcome to UGC NET and GATE Computer Science students. In today's topic, I will be discussing some of the important problematic questions from discrete structure and optimization, which is operation research. Uh, Previously, I was discussed some of the questions from December 2019. Now, as part 2, I am going for June 2019. Okay, so here the question is how many are there to place 8 indistinguishable balls into 4 distinguishable bins. Okay, so here if you want to keep some number of elements over some container, there is a probability kind of formula, that is a combination. So that is a NCR formula. Okay, so here 8 indistinguishable balls supposed to placed in 4, which mean 8 plus 4 minus 1 n 8 you want to keep. Okay, so which mean from this you want to find out what is the combination. For that 8 plus 4 minus 1, which is nothing but 11c 11c 8. Okay, actually it is NCR formula, right? Okay, so the formula is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So which mean 11 factorial divided by 8 factorial into 3 factorial. I can keep 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial into 3 factorial, which is nothing but 3 into 2. Okay, so now after skipping 8 factorial, you will be getting 11 into 10 into 9 divided by 3 into 2. Now okay, again we will cancel out this 3 by 9, so it is 9 by 3, and this 8 by cancelling these 2, so it is this 10 cancelling by 2, which is nothing but 5. Okay, 11 into 5 into 3, 165. Okay, and next is another important problem statement. Suppose that a connected planar graph has 6 vertices, each of degree 4, which means it has 6 vertices, so each and every vertex is 4. Okay, degree 4. Okay, so into how many region is the plane divided by planar representation of this graph. Actually, if you are going for planar with degrees, and we can have number of region, and number of region is nothing but number of edges minus number of vertices plus 2. So that is the Euler formula to find out number of region. So here first we need to know one more formula here. If you are having any planar graph, the sum of the degree should be we need to know. Now they say that actually, which is nothing but 6 vertices, each vertices have degree 4. Okay, which mean 6 into 4, which is nothing but 24. Okay, now we have handshaking theorem, which is nothing but twice the number of vertices, which is equal to sum of the degree of all vertices. Okay, so which mean 2e equal to 24. Now e equal to 12. Now we can substitute here. So e equal to 12, already we know number of vertices is 6, so 12 minus 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. Okay, and this you know very well. Now we go for another very important problem, which was asked in June 2019. How many cards must be selected from standard deck of 52 cards to guarantee that at least 3 hearts are present among them? Okay, so this is one of the tricky question, and in order to solve the problem, we need to know what is the deck of 52 cards. Actually, you will be having 54 card. Okay, among 54, 2 will be joker cards. Now 52 cards, each have I mean 13 into 4 different kind, right? Those are diamond, spade, club and hearts. Okay, so now we want to ensure at least 3 heart if you are choosing number of cards. Okay, so which mean totally 13 heart card there, 13 diamond, 13 spade, 13 club. Okay, so in this if you are picking randomly, surely even after picking 39 cards, each 13 of this kind, so you won't get heart. Okay, so in order to get at least 3 heart, so you have to pick 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 3. Okay, so totally 42. Hope you understand this, because initially we can pick some cards, even 39 cards may not be hot. Okay, so starting from 40th card we ensure that we got one heart card at least. So if you are picking 42, surely it have 3 heart cards, so answer is 42. Okay, and now one more very important question from this June 2019. Which of the following is principal conjunctive normal form? Okay, so we know conjunctive normal form and disjunctive normal form. Okay, what is conjunctive normal form? Is nothing but sum of the product. Okay, so which mean how to find out such a things. Okay, so for this particular statement, okay, so from the given choices we want to have the truth table. Okay, so then you have to take all the 4 choices and find the answer. You want to equate and you want to check this actual problem statement with all 4 choices, whichever same true and false category coming, that is conjunctive normal form. Okay, so for that actually option A for which you will be getting. Okay, so otherwise you want to keep B, C, D options. Okay, so now that is all about June 2019. Now if you are going for December 2018, consider the vocabulary with only 4 proposition A, B, C, D. How many models are there for following sentence? Okay, they say this is the 4 letter propositions. Okay, so proposition is nothing but propositional logic is nothing but it's with symbolic logic. So they are representing each and every event with help of only symbols. Okay, and now for this we have default formula. So how many model is nothing but for this combination, if you are applying the ABCD with 2 power 4 combinations, whatever whatever combination for which if you are getting true, then all those said to be models. Okay, so here since your problem statement with all are OR logic, okay, surely only one combination is getting result as false, remaining all is supposed to get true. Okay, so now totally 16 combination, 15 combination for which we are getting true, so we want to count all true, which is nothing but 15. Okay, so now once we are going for next question. A survey has been conducted on method of commuter travel. Each respondent was asked to check bus, train or automobile as a major method of traveling to work. More than one answer was permitted. The result reported were as follows: bus 30 people preferring, train 35 people, automobile 100 people, bus and train preferred by 15. Okay, both bus and automobile 15 people, train and automobile 20 people. All three travel mode preferred by 5 people, then how many people complete the survey form? Okay, it's very simple. So you want to make 3 circle with Venn diagram, so that you will be getting. So it's very simple formula, right? Okay, so which mean the number of people complete a survey is nothing but number of people like bus, train and automobile minus intersection common by bus and train and bus and automobile, then train and automobile and all 3. Okay, so you got all the answer, you will substitute and you will be getting 120. Okay, so that is very simple. And one more problem which is interesting is nothing but Bayes theorem with conditional probability. A full joint distribution for toothache cavity and catches is given in below table. Okay, so cavity for which the cavity symptom for that reason may be toothache or not toothache. Okay, or catch or not catch. Okay, so like that not having cavity for which either toothache or not toothache will be reason. So for that they set their probability here. Okay, now they are asking which is the probability of cavity given evidence of toothache, which is suppose we have Bayes theorem, A given B, then you want to say A intersection A and B, which means A intersection B given A given B. Okay, A given B, which is equal to A intersection B given or by probability of that B. Okay, probability of A, so here cavity is A, toothache is B, then A intersection B with its probability divided by probability of toothache. So we have all the values here, you substitute here, you will be getting answer. So that is 0.4. Okay, and next one is another probability question. A box contains 6 balls and 6 red balls and 4 green balls. 4 balls are selected random from the balls. What is the probability that 2 of the selected ball will be red and 2 will be green? Okay, so we have a very clear example problem statement. Total number of red ball equal to 6, total number of green ball equal to 4, and total balls are what from the box 10, and we want to pick 4 balls from 10 balls. So we should have 2 red ball, 2 green ball. Okay, so that is again combinational formula. So we want to make the product of 6C2 into 4C2. Okay, so we will be getting answer here, and then we want to divide that by total combination 10C4. Okay, so for that we are getting 210 here, and then so we are multiplying for this 10C4 210 we are getting for 4C2, and 4C2 we will be getting 6, and 6C2 is 15, so which is nothing but 3 by 4. Okay, so okay, I will stop here. I will continue rest of the question in next part. Thank you for watching.